scoop it out. I was stuck in here for 30 days. I don't know what got into me. Something. The police. I wonder what Pickles is doing at her restaurant. I'm gonna go see her. Hey, Moran. Well, I was just wondering. I was just about to go to your house. You want anything to eat? No, I was just seeing how you were doing. Oh, thanks so much. Well, I have to go deliver some food, so see ya. Alright. I wonder what I could do for my birthday. But I didn't get until my birthday came. Hey, happy birthday! Happy birthday. Thank you so much. I really, really love birthdays. See you at the party. What's over there? I wonder what I could do for today. Want to ready? Happy birthday! Thank you so much. Happy birthday! Thank you. Happy birthday! We are happy for your birthday. Thank you so much, you guys. You're the best friends I ever met in my life. And it feels like I'm really happy for today. And I don't want to leave again for my birthday. Oh, you're our friend. Why would we not like you? Is it easy or not easy to forget? I don't know. Must be that you forget about everything on our birthday. You're the best friend. Well, we should go talk. So, how was your day? Great. Now you're asking me how was my day? You already told me that. It's also really fun. My day was often good. And I didn't want to find back, but back my own. I found a great home for the signal. Are you going to signal party? 'Cause I am. Let's go. Whee! Hey. Hey. You guys can just open the door. It's so easy to open up the door. Let's take these shoes off. And go to bed. I can't wait to show everyone my dance for You Walkaday. You Walkaday is the best day of my life. You Walkaday, Walkaday. Da 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 da. Da-da. like it. I killed it. Hey, are you alive? Yes, I'm alive. Okay, go on the ground. Give me a picture. No. Guys, you're close to Instagram. Wait a minute. I don't care. Come on, let's go. Okay, wait up for me. No, wait up for me, bro. Wait up, I have to. That's the best thing ever.